Hey, welcome back to my channel, Dash of Luxe. If you're new here, my channel is mainly focused on luxury handbags, fashion, style, beauty, just all the things that make us as women feel beautiful. Today, I am so excited. I just got a new handbag delivered. As soon as I heard the doorbell ring, I ran downstairs to grab it off the porch and I hurried up and unboxed it. And now I just want to share with you what I bought. So if that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Before we get started, I just want to say, please excuse the hair. Before this came, I was doing housework, and I know it looks a little 80-ish, rocker band, White Snake, Van Halen-ish, scarecrow thing kind of going on, but please give me a pass today. I just wanted to hurry up and come on here and film this video and do my unboxing. So I'm not going to drag this out because I really want to see what this looks like in person. I have not seen this in person before, so you're going to get my first impressions and my reaction and all of that. So I picked this up from Nordstrom. So I'm just going to take this off to reveal that I picked up the Coach Soft Empire Carry All in the 28 size in the honey brown color. My first impression is that I like the color, but in person it's more of a brown tone color than a light honey color. I think I was expecting like a light honey color from the website, but it is still honey. So it's a dark honey. So now I'm going to take off all the packaging so we can take a look at her.
A few moments later.
I just came back to say that I can't believe how well they protected and packaged this bag. I mean, every single piece of hardware is covered, every like nook and cranny. Even the parts between the two sides of the bag where the bag comes together is protected with styrofoam. I mean, the end of the zipper pull, and then the inside is super stuffed. So I don't know if Nordstrom got this bag directly from Coach, which is something that they do nowadays, and Coach packaged this all up, because some of my experience with items that are sold directly by Nordstrom are not packaged this well, but shout out to Coach. Okay, so she is unboxed and unwrapped, and I have to say that I love this bag. I took out all of the stuffing, which I don't usually do until I know for sure that I'm going to keep a bag. And I know for sure that this bag is mine. You know that feeling like when you buy a house or when you buy a new car or just when you buy something of value and you have like that possessiveness spirit in your heart, like she's mine, nobody's gonna steal her from me, nobody's ever gonna take her away from me, she's coming home with me. That's how I feel about this bag. Like, I cannot wait to wear it. I'm already thinking of all of the different outfits I'm gonna wear with it, how I'm gonna style it, which bag charms I'm gonna put on it. I absolutely love this bag. If you've been following my channel, you know that I purchased this bag in the 40 size in the Merlot shade, and I ended up returning it because I just felt it was too big. It was just an odd size for me. That bag was beautiful, but I just couldn't make it work. This one, I feel like it's the perfect size. So another first impression, I instantly loved how this bag was structured yet slouchy. Like, you see that slouch right there? Now I understand why, like in all the photos of the Empire bag, people are carrying it under their arm like this. It's because you can. I know initially I was second guessing the color, but the more I look at it, the more I really like it. Initially, I thought it would be like a lighter honey color, but it's kind of like a mid-tone, darker honey color. But as I'm looking at it, and the sun streaming through my window and just kind of turning it back and forth, it has a little bit of a golden glowy shimmer to it. Kind of like when you want to add a little shimmer to your body lotion or whatever, or a little, you want to bronze your body down, so you add a little bit of bronze shimmer to your skincare product. That's kind of what it looks like. It has a really pretty golden glow. In terms of the hardware, I really like that they chose this kind of antique brass hardware and not like a shiny gold, because it just kind of adds to the, I don't know, the elevated style of this bag. Not too showy. I think this bag kind of, stands on its own without like a bright gold hardware. I think that would probably cheapen the bag. So this is kind of the perfect hardware for it. I really like that there's a lot of holes on the adjustable crossbody strap. This would fit all different type of body sizes. I love the width of the shoulder strap. I think a thinner strap would look weird on this bag because of the size. So I think this is like the perfect width for this strap. Once I wear this bag, I'm going to do a full review, but this is what the inside looks like. On the back part of the bag, there's this snap button back pocket, which looks like it can hold quite a bit. And I took the side straps out of this buckle because that's the only way that I could take off the packaging, but I left them unstrapped so that you can see kind of the full size, the full capacity of the bag. On the Nordstrom website, the description says that it fits a 16-inch laptop, but they lied. This is not going to fit a 16-inch laptop. It'll fit a tablet, but I think that was an error on Nordstrom's part that they probably need to correct. Maybe it was for the 40 size and they just like copied and pasted. I don't know, but it will fit a tablet. So let me just grab my tablet real quick. So this is a standard size tablet and it does fit inside. And I like how the bottom has feet. And then the writing on the bottom just says genuine full grain leather in gold writing. And then there's also gold writing on the front that says Coach New York. And then the little Coach chain tag. So this is the newest handbag to my collection. I'm so glad that I love it. And, it's always risky buying a handbag when you haven't seen it in person. I did see the 28 size at the Coach store, but it was in a different color. I tried on the black one, so I had an idea of how it would look on me, how it would sit crossbody wise, but I hadn't seen this color. So really like the color, really like the handbag. So excited to use it, which I think I'm gonna put my stuff in it right now. And start using it because of the color. I feel like it is a really good summer handbag. And so, yeah, if you're not subscribed to my channel, sometimes I know you think you might be subscribed because my videos might show up on your home screen. Double check, make sure you're subscribed so that when I post the review and post like mod shots and what I put inside the bag, what fits, you'll get that notification. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in that next video. Bye.